Okay, on today's video, I'm going to be talking about how it is very difficult to create a program that was working in one version of Python, and now that same program that I created a couple of days ago, non-optimized, it is not optimized, it doesn't have a desktop icon, it, it doesn't have fancy graphics or menus, it's just an exercise in what I need to create a program that I choose not to create for my Android phone. You know, it's Android. I need an Android phone because I'm a technician, and I know I can use my Android phone as a USB drive. So that being stated, if you create a program in Python in one version, if you update from that version to another, the latest version, more than likely your libraries are no longer going to be talking to your older legacy compliant type programs. Legacy meaning previous version. In doing so, it creates a very chaotic and stressful situation. So for the people that are programming in Python, and I mean this politely, I know you're trying your best to optimize the language, but I would appreciate it if y'all left the libraries that talk to older programs alone. Well, when I first started programming, in Turbo Pascal and C++, you can create a program and have it be like a year or two old, and you can go back and still run it, and it would still run just great. Where what happened would be like if you wanted to add or optimize it or add graphics, then of course you have to translate it from the older version to the new version. But the old version would still run. You know what I mean? It just wouldn't be optimized and it wouldn't be fancy with graphics or whatever it may be. Now, if you're programming in Python, even from one version to the next, you're pretty much guaranteed that your program's going to crash. And in doing so, it makes it very difficult to want to keep programming in Python. So it's very stressful to create a program, have it run, optimize or upgrade your version to the new version of Python, and have it crash. Very frustrating, very disconcerting, especially if you're trying to play some of these programs on the internet only to have some people come contact you and state that these programs don't work, which is not true. They do work so long as they're executable, so just keep that in mind. That's it for today's video. We'll see you on the next one.